Hi everybody, it's Jules Long Beach. I'm talking to you today from Q Voice News, actually my living room. I'm staying safer at home and I hope you are too. We have a couple quick things for you to learn about COVID-19 and safety practices. So let's get going. First and foremost, we want you to stay inside, honey. Safer at home means stay inside. You can go outside if you work in an essential business or you need to go to the grocery store, the pharmacy, something like that. You could walk your dog. You could walk around your neighborhood. But when you go outside, it's very important to practice physical distancing. That means a minimum of 6 feet, y'all. If you're in a park, if you're walking around, go to an empty park. I went to a beautiful park the other day and it was heaven and there was like one other person in it. So don't go somewhere busy or that will be busy. And, stay more than 6 feet away from them. You also, at this time, need to wear a facial covering. So if you're anywhere and you want to be safe or you don't want to get arrested, they're going to come after you, honey. So if you leave your house, make sure you have a facial covering on. Especially, if you're going to the store, you have to pick up those groceries or those essentials. Very important. Make sure you have that face covering on now. Get you a beautiful mask. Some of our drag queens are doing fabulous masks, and lots of people in town are as well, and you can find some online. But if you must, tie a scarf around your face. Use the sleeve of a t-shirt. You can find all kinds of fabulous tutorials to make something that will work for you as we stay safer at home. Very important on my list, of course, is if you are employed in essential business. We are so grateful for all those people keeping us fed, people keeping us safe, people taking care of our medical needs. Just make sure you have that facial covering on and you're keeping your distance from other people. We can't afford to have our essential workers get sick either. So don't ever let your guard down, y'all. Our beaches, bike, and walking paths and trails, most of those are shut down. People are going crazy and just gathering in huge groups. So that's why we can't have nice things, in case you wondered. We do have our parks and public spaces, for the most part, still open. So remember, when you're biking or walking through them, they just do ask that you don't gather or rest in those public spaces. We want you to wash your hands frequently and for 20 seconds, or singing happy birthday twice, or a chorus or two of the Ave Maria, whatever gets you through it, baby. That's very, very important. Don't touch your face. When you put on that face mask, put it on once. Don't touch the mask. Don't mess with the mask. Once you have worn that mask one time, it is considered contaminated and you need to wash it. So when you get home, unhook the mask, dispose of it into the washer or receptacle, and wash those hands again, honey. We want you to be safe. We can all be safe together. Hopefully this will end soon. If you must cough or sneeze, do it into your elbow, but you're going to be wearing your mask. So how about this? If you need to cough or sneeze, please just stay home. Oh my goodness. Everybody's going to be safer at home. Someone's coming for me, honey. My watch is yelling at me. They are just... I can't even be safe in my own living room. I might be losing it, y'all. I have had a few drinks. That's how I cope with being safer at home. How are you coping? I also cope with doing crazy drag shows, so you can still see me jumping around my backyard every Sunday at noon, and with some of our fabulous brunch shows. Make sure you check out the Jules page on Facebook and join us as we try to entertain each other, honey. All my love goes out to each and every one of you. And of course, to Q Voice News. Thanks for having me on. I hope we're all staying safer at home. Did I forget anything? I have some quarantine roommates over there. Did I forget something?
I think you did.
Stay safer at home. That's what I forgot. You know what? A big one is be nice to yourself. Don't set expectations too high or projects too crazy. Just take a moment. Take a breath. No one expects nothing of you except that you stay safe. And we all will stay safe together. For Q Voice News, this has been Jules Long Beach, from my living room to yours. If you want to see some craziness, check out one of my shows. Have a great day, everybody.